Hi Zachary, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Behind me is one of our available Mercedes-Benz Metris Getaway models. This is a 2020. It is finished in a beautiful steel blue matching bumpers. It's a nice paint job. We've got 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels, sporty looking styling from the Metris van. And of course, we're here to talk today about all of the upgrades and features that the Getaway package has in this model. Looking at the van, when everything's opened up, obviously this is not a regular Metris, this is a pop-top camper. So Getaway, Driverge, and Peace fans makes this package. So this van goes directly to their company out west in Washington State, and they do that full pop-top conversion. They add the awning, the bench seats, all of the extra storage in the vehicle. So coming in, you'll see here you have a rear bench seat. You have a beautiful pop top, tons of space, a second-story bed, which actually raises into the ceiling when you're not using it. So you have tons of headroom. It's a very airy environment. Then up front, we've got a touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, power door controls, dual zone climate, all these nice features. Now coming outside the van, we have dual power sliding doors, and then the optional awning in this model. So you can see up top, you get these extendable arms, the support arms here on the side. It's a really neat feature. It creates a nice external environment, more space outside of the van for you to use. And then around to the rear of the vehicle here, tons of storage space. This does come with a Thule bike rack that is also an optional extra in the Getaway package. Lots of storage space. You have rails on which this rear bench sits, so there's lots of room. You can totally adjust the space you want to use. If you want to slide the seat all the way forward, have lots of space for gear in the back, or slide it all the way back, have lots of room, for kind of like a common area up front. There's lots of different configurations you can use. Zachary, the idea of our video tour is just to give you a quick little walk around of the van itself, show you one that's here available. This one's in my showroom. As I mentioned in an email, we have 2 other vans, 2021 models, both in graphite gray metallic, also available. Wanted to put together just a quick video tour. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.